Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer all your emails from an old Gmail account to your new Gmail account. If you just want to start a fresh new Gmail account and move your important old emails to your new Gmail, or for whatever reason, you can follow this tutorial to do that. For example, I'm moving all my emails from my old account to my new account. Here's how to do it step by step. Open your new Gmail account, go to the Settings icon at the top right, and click See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab and click Import Mail and Contacts. Next, and enter your old email address, in this case, your old account. Click Continue. Wait for the process to complete, then click Continue again. Now enter the password for your old Gmail account, the one you want to import emails from, and click Next. Click Continue. Click Select All, then click Continue again. Don't worry about your credentials, as Gmail uses a built-in service called Shuttle Cloud to transfer your emails, so there's nothing to stress about. Now wait for the process to complete. Next, choose what you want to import: mail, contacts, and optionally any new emails for the next 30 days. Select what works best for you and click Start Import. Once you start the import, Gmail begins syncing in the background. Depending on how many emails you have, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. You can close the window. Gmail will keep working on the import. You'll see the status under the Accounts and Import tab showing that your old Gmail account is being imported. When the process is done, you'll get a confirmation message saying the import has finished. Now, if you go to your Gmail and refresh the page, you'll see a label named after your old Gmail address. Click on that, and there you go. All your old emails from your previous Gmail account are successfully imported into your new Gmail account. And that's it. Your emails from your old Gmail account are now in your new one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.